and welcome back. Hope you're good, doing well. So we are having an update on dollar CAD. As you know that we are having data, labor data, which is going to be released on both on CAD and dollar. So, but before going to look at that, if anyone want to join us or looking for training, trading, or group membership, just simply visit wave-trader.com, or you can visit the techtradingacademy.com. So let's move on to the calendar. So we are having labor data, which is going to be released on both. All right, so on CAD, and let's just look at the trend. The trend is falling, and unemployment is just slightly ticking up. Again, that's what Bank of Canada wants. They want unemployment to tick higher so that the inflation can come down. All right, and same goes with the NFP, all right? So they also want, the Fed also want labor market to slow down. So we may see, a mixed report on both, all right? So either we can get the bad numbers on both, or we can get the good numbers on CAD and maybe bad numbers on the NFP, all right? So you really don't know, because the economy is still strong and labor market is still, remaining strong. Right, and inflation is slowing down in the Canada and the US, in both countries. So numbers can be good on both, numbers can be bad on both. All right, so there are different predictions from big banks. All right. So what you are simply looking on the CAD, all right? So if you do remember that we were expecting a dollar CAD to rebound from the lows and continue to keep pushing more higher. So we are having nice bounce off on the dollar CAD from the lows, and the dollar CAD is just simply pushing higher from the lows and going towards the daily waves, all right? The daily wave which we were expecting from the bottom to appear over there from these lows and continue to keep pushing more higher. Or if I'm going to look at the weekly chart, 2 weeks chart, all right? So we are slightly moving away from the lows. Okay, if I'm going to click on that, there you can see that some strength is just simply appearing over there. This might be a start for a big move, all right? So you don't know, all right? This might be a start of this bigger weekly correction breakout for more upside, all right? So we don't know. Right, the price action will tell us either we are going to have that kind of move, or just simple another run back to that top and then again drop and going to stay within that for a couple of months to quarters. Okay, so what we are having right now, the way which we were expecting. Okay, we are just simply heading towards that. I think I do have chart on that. I do have posted a chart on that on TradingView, so on daily. So let's just bring out that chart. So we are slightly moving away on daily time frame. Okay, but the reports which we are having today, that can change slightly. You see that we are just slightly moving away on these 2 days chart and heading towards that previous daily tops. So now that report, okay, that report can completely change this trend, the trend which we are having. Okay, so what you are simply looking this to continue, all right, the breakout sharply, all right, and continue to keep rising all the way up to that top. This is the structure and formation, and that's what we are looking for this move. All right, so what we need good numbers, good NFP numbers on dollar, and bad labor data on CAD. That can, so very strong report needed over there, and very bad report needed over there for that move to continue to keep pushing more higher. So in case if we are going to see bad report over there and good report on CAD, we are going to see another leg lower. Okay, so that's what you are looking. So if we are going to see breakout either direction, strong breakout, okay, strong breakout, then you are looking it to continue to keep pushing more higher. If you don't get that strong breakout and price is going to break through this bullish leg like this, okay, there you see that. If we see that the sharp sell-off is coming over there, okay, this area like this, so then simply another leg lower. Okay, if you remember that we were expecting buying over there and price to reverse from there, and we got a nice continuation for the upside. So we still can see another leg lower. Okay, this one more leg lower can appear over there. Okay, so we may see, you know, bad report, good report, that move. Okay, good report, bad report, and can break out and continue keep pushing more higher. So a kind of neutral analysis we are having over there on the dollar CAD. Okay, but you are watching for a price action. Okay, strong breakout, boom, continue and keep pushing more higher. Not strong breakout. Okay, strong sell-off is just coming over there, very much similar like that. Okay, breakdown. Okay, and visit that low. Then you still can trade on that move, right? Or yeah. So if you wanna buy at this breakout, make sure you be careful. Okay, and buy and hold only then if the breakout is going to be very strong and price is going to hold all the way up to that top. We are expecting, you know, and bad non-farm payroll numbers, right? We're expecting that to happen. So rather than, you know, good numbers. So we need a very strong report for this move to continue to go higher. So kind of neutral analysis. If you bought already from these areas or these lows, okay, time to watch price action over there. If it keeps pushing more higher, you're staying in. If not and breaking down, then take out and can trade on this. And then again, looking for buy from those lows. Hope that makes sense, guys. Thank you. Okay, if you want me to look at the lower time frame, let's look at the lower time frame quickly. Yeah, so we are still holding that trend, that 30-minute trend, which just emerged over there from the previous lows. See that? Yeah, you see that? So once you start, let's just look at this. You see that the trend broken down here at this area very aggressively. So if we are going to see same price action, then one more leg lower. We don't see that, all right? We don't see that. Well, you know, move aggressively for upside and continue to keep pushing more higher. All right. So I think let's look at the 2-day chart and let's see if I posted an update over there on lower time frame. I'm sure I didn't. All right. So yeah, I haven't posted. So that's the old you know post which we were having over there on the dollar CAD. Again, but it's moving towards that direction. So video updates were there. Okay, video updates were there on dollar CAD here. So yes, you see that it's moving and you're looking it to continue. So basically the job number is going to decide either we are going to see another leg lower and one more drop within this bigger, you know, trend. Okay, so we still can see that this move. All right, so watch it and you're looking for it to continue to keep pushing more higher. Yeah, and yeah, let's see. We still can visit that. So if I'm gonna pull out the other charts like Australian dollar, AUD, USD on it, I'm gonna inverse that. So we are back at the floor, okay, on these charts. So we can see that they are, you know, very well ahead. The Australian dollar has lost more against the dollar rather than the CAD, all right? And the reason is the oil. The oil is holding the gain on the CAD, all right? So yeah, so visiting these lows that high, this is the dollar CAD high. Australian dollar is tagging these lows, Okay, so bad report on CAD, good report on dollar can drive this all the way back to that top or more high for upside. Yeah, so dollar and you know a dollar has to be somewhere here according to the Australian dollar chart. Still can see that move. That's what you are watching. So Australian dollar is more weaker than the CAD, so CAD has to get weaker, similar like the Australian dollar at some point. Thank you.